Water. For thousands of years, humans have harnessed the power of water. Now, we've taken hydropower and turned it up to 11. We're Ampere, and this is Showerpower, the Hydropower shower speaker. Showerpower is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker that installs easily onto your existing showerhead. It's powered by the water from your shower, so you'll never be without your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks. To us, using hydropower for a shower speaker just made sense. I mean, you're in the shower already, you might as well put that water to good use. Our hydropower system works like a water wheel in a dam. Before the flow from your shower reaches the showerhead, it rotates an internal impeller, which is connected to a mini generator that charges a battery. The moment the water starts to flow, Showerpower starts to charge. And even when the shower is off, the internal battery allows for up to 10 hours of speaker use. In addition to being powered by renewable energy, the plastic components in Showerpower are made from 100% recycled ocean plastic, with more than 15 bottles in every speaker. Just because we designed Showerpower to be eco-friendly doesn't mean it's lacking in tech. For whatever you like to rock out to, Showerpower delivers big, immersive sound in your bathroom. Our own sound wave diffuser delivers 360-degree sound, so you will always have great multi-directional sound no matter your shower type.
For those who want a little extra sound, we've designed a mini waterproof speaker that pairs with Showerpower called the Droplet.
We had the idea for Showerpower over 2 years ago and have been working towards this Kickstarter ever since. During that time, we have launched 3 Kickstarters and our community has grown to over 10,000 backers. With your help, we're excited to finally make Showerpower a reality. So, if you want to amp up your shower game, please back our campaign and share it with your friends. Thanks.